bust my lip again. Alright guys, so today we're in the Jeep Wrangler's long distant cousin, the Suzuki Jimmy. The Suzuki Jimmy is similar to the Suzuki Samurai that was available in the United States, where this is the newer version of it, but it's not available in the States. It offers four-wheel drive, it's very small and nimble, so it can get through smaller trails than the bigger, beefier Jeep Wrangler, which I actually prefer. If this was available in the States, I would definitely buy one over the Jeep Wrangler, which in a distant country like St. Lucia or somewhere else, these smaller roads, this is perfect for exploring, especially bad potholes. But that's enough to talk about this. Let's go ahead and pull over, enjoy the views of St. Lucia, and take a look at this vehicle. All right, guys, so we got the Jimmy over here. This will be we'll be driving in St. Lucia. Check out that sunset view, but let's check out the villa that we're staying at. It's more of an estate than a villa. It's pretty insane. You have one hammock. You walk out here, it's all open to air. This is insane. Walk through the glass, don't walk into the glass, is what they told me. There's one bedroom right here. This is more the guest bedroom. Little piano, that's not gonna get any action. There's one area of the balcony right here, that's one side. Here's where the magic is gonna happen.
Shall we shag now or shall we shag later?
Living room area? It's pretty insane. There's another sick bedroom. Alright guys, let's go check out this real quick. Look at that, guys. That's insane. You come out here to the back of the estate and you'll be welcome to the largest infinity pool in all of St. Lucia. Check that out, guys. That's where I'll be hanging out tonight, because it is pretty hot. I'm sweating over here. All right. Let's keep on walking. There's more to see over here. Look at that view, guys. There's Rodney Bay. All right, we keep on walking. I just need to have my own vacation villa TV show at this point. Look at that sunset, guys. That is insane. And the view from this place. The view. Can't see the view. Turn around. Here's the kitchen, the balcony, and everything else. That's insane.